All right, backyard mechanics, you know how this works. Your car has 4 jack points. You look in the manual to find out where they are. You jack the car up, and of course, there's no place to put the jack stand because the jack's already occupying that spot. Well, that is where Wren stands come in. Let me show you how they work. First thing you want to do is remove the center section of the Wren stand, and you grab the jack saddle that works for you. Again, in this case, we're going for the pinch weld, so we have the perfect jack saddle for that. We're going to slide it underneath just as we would a regular jack right there on the pinch weld and start to jack it up. Once we do that and we get it high enough to get our work done underneath, then we're going to slide in both sides of the Wren stand, and all you have to do is lock them in with a pin. These, by the way, are safe. They each have a shear strength of 9,000 pounds, so you don't need to worry about the durability. You don't have to worry about all those jack stands that are being recalled these days. The Wren stand is much more durable, much stronger. And once you get those pins in, then it's time to lower the car onto the Wren stand, and it should be the perfect height for you to work. It's very stable. You see how wide the feet are? This thing isn't going anywhere. Of course, you want to chalk the opposite side wheel just for safety anyway. Now, let's say you're getting under the car, but it's not high enough. Guess what? You don't even have to lower the car to change out the Wren stand, to change the height. All you do is lift it up just a little bit more. Then you can pull out the pins, pull out the side of the Wren stand, adjust it to the height you want, and then drop the car back down again, and voila, you have more clearance instantly, and you didn't even have to bring the car all the way to the ground. Now, Rennen, that means race in German. Autorennen would be auto racing. And think about all you racers out there, if you want to go auto crossing or go to the drag strip, this is the perfect thing. You jack up the car real quickly with this. You can change the height on the fly. It's super simple with Wren stands, and it's super safe up there. Very stable platform to work on your car, and it changes very, very quickly. So it's the perfect thing to have in your pit. Now, Wren stands, as I mentioned, are very, very strong, individually tested to over 9 tons. That's 18,000 pounds. That's more than enough strength you will need to hold up your car, especially your race car. The Wren stand is great, and lots of folks agree. In fact, it's the winner of the Global Media Award in 2020 at the SEMA show. So this is the best of the best right here. These things were designed and invented in the United States, and they're made and beautifully finished by ETA Manufacturing. You can check out their website at etamfg.com. Now, what if you have to put the car up, the entire car up? Maybe you're installing an exhaust system and you want to go from front to rear. Well, that is where the lift stand comes in, also made by ETA Manufacturing. If you don't have a garage and you don't have a 4-post lift, this is the thing for you. You can actually put all 4 tires up on the lift stands, and they'll give you some extra clearance underneath. With lift stands, you can get an extra 2 feet of ground clearance, or you can bring the car 2 feet closer to you and keep from breaking your back. You can check them out on their website at ETA-MFG or at summitracing.com. We've covered a ton of ground, but I am sad to say we've used up all of our time for this episode. So until next time, if you have a few moments, you can find us on Facebook. And if you know of something cool that should be on our show, email jeff@masterstv.com. Until then, so long from all of us here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat.